Hi guys, Ricardo here and welcome to another blog tech tips. In today's tutorial guys, I'm going to show you how to take care of your S26 Ultra, or of course these are the things that you should definitely do as soon as you get a brand new S26 Ultra. All right, so it's a S26 Ultra. This can also apply to the other S26s as well, but for optimum for the most of the tips, they're meant for the 26 Ultra, all right? So in order to, once you get your new device, one of the first thing I recommend that you do out of the box is to actually preserve your battery or protect your battery by setting the battery settings to protect your battery so it can last longer and your battery health can be maintained. All right, so the first thing you want to do, guys, is to go into your settings. You're going to go down to battery with the new setup. You're then gonna go here that it says battery protection, make sure it's on, set to basic, you're gonna set it to maximum. And of course it might be up here at 90 or so on. So set it not to 95, that's the basic or basic setup. So I recommend that you set it to 80. So you'll leave 80%, you will use 80% of the battery will charge at 80 and you'll leave 30%. That 30% will be use, and of course that will remain keep your battery health for longer, so the device will only use 80% and leave 30% in reserve. So later on you'll have that 30% which will maintain your battery health, so your device's battery will last. Hope that was useful for that first one. All right, so that's a first tip for a new Galaxy S26. Next, let's look at another one, guys. So the other one here, you can see this no bar here, which you may not use. It's on the main part of your screen and it's taking up a lot of space. Now I'm going to show you to get rid of this. So go ahead and unlock. All right, so once you unlock, over to your settings. Next, go to lock screen and AOD. So that's lock screen and always on display, AOD. Then you're gonna go to no bar, which is right here. And there's the no brief. Go ahead and turn it off. Once you turn it off, go back to the home screen. There you go, the no bar is now gone. All right, so that's the second thing to do. The third thing I'm going to show you in customizing your S26 Ultra is, if you look here, I have my name on the lock screen right here. So you can actually place your name or any custom message that you would want. All right, so to do that, go to your settings. And if you're in the same settings as before, go to settings. So that's settings, gear icon. Go to, if I'm remembering correctly, you're going to go to, once you're in settings, you're going to go down to lock screen and AOD as well again. Then you're going to go here that it says contact information. Tap, and you're going to type your name or type your email or type your alias or whatever you would want to appear, or that information to appear on the lock screen. It's done. And of course, once you go back to the lock screen, you'll have your name displayed. Easy to identify your device and distinguish it easily from other devices. All right, guys, another thing which is up to you once you have started your device is to go to settings. Once you're in settings, go to display, and it's up to you if you want to use this. Remember, it does use a little bit more battery, so you're going to scroll down and here to screen resolution. It's set to FHD, but to get the full effect out of your screen, go ahead and max it out to Quad HD plus, which is this setting here. Once you select it, go ahead and apply. And once you apply, guys, the screen is going to get much more sharper, but do remind that it consumes more battery. As for me, I don't really need it, so I'm just going to leave mine at the default. But for you, just in case you want to have the maximum out of your display to get the maximum sharpness, you can go ahead and do that. All right, guys, so those are some quick tips. If you want a part 2 to these tips, go ahead and comment below part 2, and I'll definitely do some more advanced tips. Hope this was useful, and as always, guys, see you in the next one. Bye.